This literature kit on the Miraculous Journey of Edward Tulane by Kate DiCamillo is paced well for classroom use, making it easy to integrate into literacy instruction. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Put Edward's emotional events in the correct order. Explain Edward's growth as he responds to leaving Nellie and Lawrence. Write your own sentences for key vocabulary words from the novel. Determine whether the old doll gives Edward good advice. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as becoming the jury in the case of Edward Tulane's fair treatment. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Dissect a series of quotes from the novel to determine their hidden meaning. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.